Hello investors, welcome to EPSMomentum and welcome to today's on stock in 1 minute. Today we will be reviewing ASML. On the chart we can see that the last quarter's earning momentum is 29, which is a very positive sign for the stock. Also the previous quarter's earning momentum, as you can see that the last 5 earning momentums is positive and above 10, which is a very good sign for the stock. As the EM stayed positive, the stock price was also in a positive mode with a very strong uptrend. Currently the timing momentum is positive, which is 14. The timing bias is positive 0.6. The market score is also positive with a 3.1. So overall on the chart we can see that most of the filters are giving us a very good sign for the stock, which is reflected on the signals. As you can see that the all the signals are giving us green sign. These are very strong point for this stock right now. On the matrix tab, we can see that the sales is increasing nicely. Sales increased from 3,661 to 4,842, which is a increase of 32%, and the acceleration is negative 63.11%. On the EPS, we can see that the EPS increased from 1.97 to a 3.04, which is a increase of 54%. Also the acceleration is not that good here. The acceleration is negative 220.44%. On the post earning announcement drift, we are on drift A. On the drift, we can see that the current stock price is 765, which is just above the max average of the drift. As the stock price is currently trading above the max average price of the drift, we can expect that for the rest of the quarter the stock price will stay near the max average price of the drift, which reach up to 842 at the end of the quarter. On the revision tab, we can see that our revision score got a 12% boost from last week, which is a good sign for ASML, as it indicates that the Wall Street analysts are still bullish on ASML stock. So that's it for today guys. Please do your own research before making any investment decisions. Please visit us at EPSMomentum.com. You can sign up for free.